This is the GOgroove BlueVIBE GTV, designed with comfort, easy connectivity, and quality in mind. The wireless headphones come as a complete TV watching kit that will make it possible for you to enjoy your favorite movies, TV shows, and music without disturbing those around you. To get the GTV up and running, start by making sure the headset is fully charged by using one of the included AC power adapters. A full charge takes 3 hours and provides up to 10 hours of wireless audio listening. To power on the GTV transmitter, connect the transmitter's AC power adapter to an outlet near your TV. Now that the GTV transmitter is powered on, connect the GTV transmitter to your TV's 3.5mm headphone output port using the included aux cable, or use the included RCA cable to plug into the red and white audio output ports. Double check to ensure that you connected to the TV ports labeled Audio Out, Out, Output. You are ready to connect the GTV headphones to the transmitter. Simply press and hold the power button for 3 seconds until the blue LED indicator flashes. The headphones and transmitter will automatically pair. When you're done listening, power off the headphones by pressing the power button for 3 seconds until the LED indicator turns off. Before adjusting the volume on your headphones, we recommend turning the volume of your TV up to around 90%. Then you can fine-tune the listening volume by pressing the volume up-down buttons near the power button on the headphones. Enjoy clear and crisp audio for the perfect cinematic experience, complete with 100 feet of unobstructed line-of-sight range, 10 hours of battery life, and no audio delay. This is the GOgroove BlueVIBE GTV.